Hello everyone, my name is Gilbert and I can't believe we're done with our 8 weeks for this course, and what I have learned from the course is that hypothesis testing, estimating probability and confidence intervals are important steps in trying to find out if you are to reject or accept your null hypothesis. These are the basics in statistics that I have learned. Since I am not a math major, I was expecting to find this course harder to figure out the statistical data. But the third edition of Medical Statistics from Scratch, which is an introduction for health professionals, with its exercises helped and guided me to go through with the weekly assignments. How can this be applied in my professional career? I work in a research-funded institution sponsored by pharmaceutical companies and federal agencies as a research nurse. Aside from the epidemiological data that we are collecting, statistical data is also what the federal agency like the Cancer Institute is looking for, which all of my learnings from the class are applicable. This textbook helps me in understanding more in statistics, plus some references like YouTube videos, which help me a lot in explaining to me the different subjects every week to learn, post, and share to the class. I am so glad and thankful that I always come up with the same responses as everyone else, which boosted my confidence upon submitting the correct response. Reading the rest of the class interpretation of the question is important too because it helps me understand the subject better. That's all. I would like to greet each and every one of you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I hope to see you again in our next class. Thank you.